Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Backlinks for Beginners video, I want to discuss article submission sites and gaining backlinks, follow backlinks from article submission sites. So in this Backlinks for Beginners video, we have a question. Nabil K, this was 12 hours ago. He says, hello Chris, or hi Chris, what about article submission sites like HubPage? Is this good for SEO? So my advice at the end of the day is it valuable to submit sites to pages like HubPage? Is this good for SEO? So the answer is yes, this is good for SEO if Google is showing favor to those websites and you could start receiving traffic. Nabil, thank you for the question first and foremost, but let's just get into some of these sites here. So here's a list of tons of sites, okay? They do have Ahrefs DR of 95, 94, 93, 91. They are very, very high metric websites. Now, here's my advice, here's my outlook on this. Is it effective to receive backlinks from these sites? At the end of the day, a backlink is a backlink. A link is a link. But these particular sites, in my opinion, do not provide the type of link juice or link power that they used to. Okay? So sites like Tumblr and Medium and BuzzFeed, Evernote, eZine Article, eHow, HubPages, I mean, the list goes on and on. Because it is so easy, right? Anybody could go ahead and put an article on these websites, receive a link back. Because it is so simple to receive a do-follow backlink as a beginner from these websites, the link equity is not going to be as powerful. Now, with that being said, all right, why these are powerful and how to use these at your advantage would be if you're searching for your keyword. Let's say you have a keyword. It doesn't matter, whatever the keyword is. Let's say you're going after an SEO keyword. So I type in how to do an SEO audit in 2020, right? I'm just saying, I'm using that as an example. If on the first page, right, on the first page or the beginning of the second page, and it doesn't have to be an SEO related keyword, any keyword, if you search a keyword and you see any of these sites coming up, my advice would be yes, go after that exact keyword that's showing from one of these article submission websites, because yes, maybe the backlink is not as powerful as it used to be, but if you can submit an article that is going to rank because Google is showing favor to that site for one of your keywords, then it would make 100% perfect sense for you to create an article, get the link, and you'll probably outrank them if you do your keyword research properly, you write your article properly, you'll get the link, you'll rank almost automatically because Google's rewarding it. And I've done this before for social media keywords on the Medium platform, so I know that this is highly effective. It works. So that's going to be my advice, sir. So my advice at the end of the day is it valuable to submit sites to pages like HubPage? Is this good for SEO? So the answer is yes, this is good for SEO if Google is showing favor to those websites and you could start receiving traffic. Other than that, to submit your website to hundreds of article directories, is this going to be beneficial? Will it give you benefit? Maybe a little bit, but without the traffic, I feel that it's going to be useless. And that's going to wrap up today's Backlinks for Beginners video, article submission sites. I want to thank you for this question. If anyone out there has any questions related to backlinks, SEO, local SEO, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, I mean really anything business, digital marketing related, please feel free to leave it in the comments. If it's a great question, something like this that I feel will help a lot of people, I'll make a video about it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next Backlinks for Beginners video. Have a wonderful day.